Welcome to Home Food Best Food. This video is about hot chocolate bombs. The ultimate guide to make perfect hot chocolate bomb without mold is here. Yes friends, why to waste money on expensive molds when you know the DIY trick to make these cool bombs at home? Learn how to make these super cute Choco bombs that have been blowing up the internet. In today's tutorial, I'll be walking you with step by step how to make DIY mold and chocolate bomb in plenty of details through the process with lots of tips and tricks. To make the DIY mold, we're going to take a ball as our base and some aluminum wrap. Cut the aluminum foil such that it can cover the ball into a long strip. Next, fold the aluminum foil. Now press it against the ball as shown in the video. Slowly unwrap the foil until you reach half of the ball as shown in the video. Cut the excess foil using scissors. Now your DIY mold is ready. Next, we're going to melt some chocolate using a double boiler method. We're going to take some water in a saucepan and place a bowl of chocolate on top of it and keep mixing it with the spoon until the chocolate completely melts. Now you can see the chocolate is completely melted and ready to shape it into chocolate bombs. Now start filling the mold using chocolate. Slowly cover the entire mold using a spoon. You may need 1 to 2 tablespoons of chocolate depending upon the size of the mold you have made. Place them carefully onto a place where they can stay stable. Once you've made all the molds, place them in the refrigerator or freezer for some time until they're solid. Now you can see they are completely solid. Now slowly peel off the aluminum foil from the chocolate. Next, place this on a hot plate and you see the edge gets melted and it forms a proper spear. Next, we're going to fill some hot cocoa powder. I'm filling around 1 teaspoon of it. You should also fill some marshmallows onto it, but my son is not fond of them, so I'm skipping this step here. Repeat the same process with the other half of the spear and place one spear over the other and slowly smudge the chocolate, molten chocolate over the ball. If they don't get stuck with each other, then you can also apply a little chocolate. And if there is any broken edge, you can also fill it using the chocolate. Now the chocolate ball is ready. You can add some sprinklers over them and they're ready to be served. You can also add some melted white chocolate and decorate them. Now the most exciting part of the video. Yes, it's a time for explosion. Simply place hot chocolate bomb into an empty mug and pour hot milk slowly over the cocoa bomb and watch it dissolve. Mix it with a spoon until evenly mixed. If you add marshmallows while making the choco bomb, then they start floating at this point. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you.